this video, we'll create a navigation graph for the project. Right click on resources, say new, Android resource file, name it nav_graph. Resource type as navigation, root element navigation. Click OK. This creates a navigation folder and navigation_graph.xml. Switch to design mode for nav_graph.xml. And let's have a quick tour of this design editor. There are 3 sections in navigation graph. The first section, destination. This section lists all the destinations currently in the graph editor. Middle section is graph editor. It shows visual representation of the navigation graph. Third section is attributes section. This basically lists all the attributes related to destinations and actions in your navigation graph. Right now the graph is empty because we have not added any destinations to the graph. We'll do that in the coming 2 videos.